Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 14. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Now look at our first word, which is meddle. Friends, meddle means to interfere. In Hindi it is dakhal dena. Now moving to its sentence is he always tries to meddle in the affairs of others. Its synonym is intrude. The next word that I have for you is knave. Friends, knave means innocent. In Hindi it is bhola bhala. Now its example, she is a knave young girl. Its synonym is gullible. Repeat after me, gullible. The next word that I have for you is meet. Repeat after me, meet. Friends, meet means to allot justice or a punishment. In Hindi it is baantna ya fir dena. Now moving to its sentence, justice was meted out to them. Its synonym is allocate or bestow. The next word is mitigate. Mitigate means make milder. In Hindi it is kam karna. Now its sentence, try to mitigate the sufferings of the poor. Its synonym is alleviate. Look at the next word, skeptic. Friends, skeptic means person who doubts accepted beliefs. In Hindi it is shaki. Its example is Nina is a skeptic. Its synonym is cynic. The next word that I have for you is restive. Friends, restive means unable to remain silent because of boredom. In Hindi it is ashant ya fir bechain. Now moving to its sentence, the crowd had been waiting for 3 hours and many were becoming restive. Its synonym is impatient. The next word is quaint. Friends, quaint means old-fashioned manner. Now moving to its sentence, the quaint manners of the villagers seem absurd. Friends, absurd means senseless. Now its synonym, bizarre. The next word is turbid. Turbid means muddy or you can say clouded. Its Hindi meaning is ganda. Now its sentence, the boat disappeared in turbid water. Its synonym is murky. The next word is veracity. Veracity means greediness. Its Hindi meaning is adhik lalach. Now moving to its sentence is veracity is one of the 7 human vices. Friends, vices means burai. Its synonym is audacity. Last but not least is infidelity. Friends, infidelity means the action of being unfaithful to a spouse. Spouse means husband or wife. Its Hindi meaning is bewafai. Her infidelity continued after her marriage. Its synonym is disloyalty. Now it's time for the question of the day. Friends, what is the synonym of knave? A. Innocent. B. Cunning. C. Meat. D. Quaint. Give me answer of this question in comment box.